So if you haven't signed up for poll.com yet, you at least have to go check it out, especially if you do not have the plus or the paid version of ChatGPT. Now, it's not going to give you all of the features of ChatGPT 4 because you're not a plus member, but it will allow you to use it for like one message. So you can get one thing, like one email done with ChatGPT 4 if you are so inclined. But you do have access to GPT 3.5 Turbo Edition, and that is unlimited. And you can see it gives you ideas of how you can use it. Everything from writing, which we use on a regular basis, to cooking, which I use because y'all, I'm still learning how to cook, to recommendations, travel, parenting, advice, management, all sorts of things. But here's where it gets really interesting, right? So if we go to the left-hand side, which I like to think about it as a navigational bar, you see there are other chatbots in here. So Sage is good for other languages besides English. And again, it is using the GPT 3.5 Turbo framework. Now, Claude Plus is similar to ChatGPT 4, and so it does not give you unlimited use. It only gives you 3 messages a day. Now, that means depending on the type of project you're working on, you may need to stretch out your use of Claude Plus over several days, but still something is better than nothing. Claude Instant 100,000 is not available to people using Poe for free, but you can use a free trial to see how you like it. And then you have other chatbots called Neva AI, which is good for web search results, and Dragonfly. Dragonfly gives you really good outputs, especially when you're asking for advice. Like, tell me how to approach somebody with bad news, or tell me how to say no in a friendly, easy way. Things like that, I found Dragonfly to be really interesting. So if you have not tried Poe, it's a must try. And you can even explore other bots that people are creating. So one of my favorite ones is Leo Cooks, because you can actually say what you have in your refrigerator or cabinet, and they'll give you all of these options or ideas back. And then my other favorite is take a sentence and find an emoji for what you're saying. So check it out today. We will put the link in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.